Welcome to Milani's first birthday. So for her first birthday, I wanted to go with a very glam and over-the-top unicorn theme. I ended up finding some really good vendors that made this vision come to life, and I'll be sharing them all with you guys down below. For example, like these handmade unicorns that you could adopt, which I thought was such a great idea, and I actually had this printable created along with this one to go with this setup. I'll share all the links down to everything down below, but I just wanted to do something so different and glam for my baby. And you guys know how obsessed I am with unicorns if you've been following me since my pregnancy. Her first birthday is literally something I've been dreaming about since before she was even born. Now I did go ahead and collab with the most amazing bakery here in Hopkinsville, Kentucky. They created everything exactly how I envisioned. The cakes, the macaroon towers was just all so beautiful. The iridescent glitter on the cake was just absolutely stunning in person. I was like kind of sad I didn't pick up on video, but even just these little cake unicorn towers were just so adorable. The cake pops were actually made by the Painted Cupcake in Nashville, and Magical Moments by Lisi created the Rice Krispie bars. As you guys can tell, a lot of the pieces here were from my nursery, and I love being able to incorporate things that were originally in my nursery for her first birthday, because not only did it save me money, but it brought everything exactly together how I envisioned. Joelle's Bakery and Cafe did an absolutely amazing job on her cake. If you guys see the glitter on the bottom, that's how it sparkled in real life. I wish I could have captured better video of it, but it was just absolutely stunning. Best of all, everything was exactly what I asked for and super affordable. These macaroon towers were by Joelle's Bakery and Cafe as well. They were just so adorable. They brought my vision to life, you guys. If you are in the area, I highly recommend you guys using them as your baker. You won't be disappointed. The majority of the sweets, like I mentioned, they created, and everything just turned out exactly how I wanted. Throughout this process, I really learned to appreciate a baker's talent. It takes so much talent to be able to create something that's edible and that beautiful. I did also want to thank Magical Moments by Lisi for collabing with me on this birthday party. She did an amazing job with helping me set up everything. And if you guys are interested in an event planner and you guys are local, make sure you guys check her out down below. I'll leave all her information for those of you guys interested.
It means no worries.
Aside from creating the most beautiful desserts for Milani's first birthday, Joelle's Bakery and Cafe also offers their bakery as an event venue. So if you guys loved how everything looked and you're local, definitely check their rates out. They're super affordable, and you get such a beautiful space for any birthday party, engagement party. Literally, this space is perfect for everything, and everything is so beautifully decorated. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out the description bar if you guys would like to restyle this party. I will be listing all the links to where I purchased everything and all of the vendors and the coupon codes that I was able to get for you guys down in the description bar. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love to have you guys a part of my YouTube family, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.